Have you ever wondered how to get started in the exciting world of data science? क्या आपको पता है Kaggle सिर्फ एक कंपटीशन प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं बल्कि अपनी डेटा साइंस जर्नी को एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाने वाला सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका है. In this video, we are going to decode what is Kaggle, how to get started, and most importantly, how to become a Kaggle expert. So, stick with me till the end to know all the answers. Let's start. What is Kaggle? So, Kaggle is the world's largest data science and machine learning platform owned by Google. It's a place where data scientists, data analysts, or ML enthusiasts from all over the world come together to compete in challenges using real-world datasets and to learn through tutorials and kernels. Third, they share projects and ideas with the global community. Kaggle पे competitions होते हैं जहाँ companies और organizations अपने real data जो related problems होती हैं वो solve करवाती हैं. For example, predicting house prices, improving airline delays, or even medical image classifications. These challenges are not just practice, they help companies और आपको real world exposure भी मिलता है. Why is Kaggle important? Kaggle is a game changer for several reasons. Number 1, real world experience. You work with dataset used by the companies. जो companies real world में अपना dataset use कर रही हैं हमें वही use करने का मौका मिलता है. सेकेंड, पोर्टफोलियो बिल्डिंग. हर Kaggle कंपटीशन आपकी प्रोफाइल को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है जो रिक्रूटर्स को इम्प्रेस करता है इन द केस यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब. थर्ड, लर्निंग. यहाँ डिस्कशन फोरम्स और नोटबुक्स जैसे कि आप मशीन लर्निंग की टेक्निक्स को प्रैक्टिकली समझ सकते हो बाय लुकिंग एट अदर पर्सनस नोटबुक और अ पर्सन हु इज़ एक्सपर्ट इन दैट फील्ड. आप उसकी नोटबुक देख के उसका थॉट प्रोसेस भी जान सकते हो. फोर्थ एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट. Kaggle की कम्युनिटी सपोर्टिव है. यू कैन कोलैबोरेट विद अदर्स ग्लोबली. इमेजिन दिस, आप किसी Kaggle कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और आपका सॉल्यूशन किसी बड़ी कंपनी के रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर देता है. दैट्स ह्यूज, राइट? Next, how to start on Kaggle. Now, the main question is how to get started. First, obviously, create a profile. Go to kaggle.com and sign up. Secondly, explore datasets. Start with publicly available dataset. Filter them based on like healthcare, sports or finance. Datasets को देखो, कुछ जो basic competitions होंगे वो स्टार्टिंग में करने हैं. सेकेंड, विल कम टू प्रैक्टिस कॉम्पिटिशन्स. डोंट जंप इनटू बिग कॉम्पिटिशन्स इनिशियली. स्टार्ट विद बिगनर फ्रेंडली चैलेंजेस लाइक टाइटैनिक मशीन लर्निंग फ्रॉम डिजास्टर. हमारे चैनल पे भी प्लेलिस्ट है विच इज़ ऑनगोइंग प्लेलिस्ट, बिल्ड Kaggle प्रोफाइल टुगेदर. तो वहाँ पे हम रियल वर्ल्ड डेटा साइंस के जो भी नए नए प्रॉब्लम्स और कॉम्पिटिशन्स Kaggle पे आते हैं we solve them together. So you should follow that if you also want to improve your Kaggle profile. Along with this, you can do this. Follow that playlist in the I button given here. And the next is notebooks. Notebooks, use them to explore, share codes and learn from experts. And the last, follow discussions. Learn from past competition solutions and active discussions. Take part in the group chats. Pro tip here is पहले Kaggle के tutorials जैसे Python और Pandas की प्रैक्टिस करो. It will help you understand data pre-processing or basic machine learning techniques. Because in the Kaggle itself we have a section where we can have different modules to learn things if you are new to it. Now the journey in our Kaggle profile or in the Kaggle platform is divided into different parts. Starting from the beginning, it is novice, where your journey begins. और इसी स्ट्रक्चर में नेक्स्ट पार्ट आएगा कंट्रीब्यूटर. You become Kaggle contributor by sharing data sets or notebooks. And then the next part in the journey is expert, that is Kaggle expert. Achieving this, earning medals by in different competitions, notebooks और data sets. उसके बाद जो स्टेज होगी that is master, Kaggle master. It is a significant milestone achieved by consistently performing well. And the last one is Kaggle grandmaster. This is the ultimate rank जो सिर्फ top 1% लोग achieve कर पाते हैं. And but you should not focus on these levels. First you have to build your bases, like you should learn Python or basics of machine learning and the different modules which are given here. You can check them out. Then after that, do basic competitions which are beginner friendly, not that tough. Uske baad you can jump to the competitions which are big competitions, like complex ones, and dhire dhire gradually you will see your profile is improving. And do follow us if you want to build Kaggle profile together. Now the basic tips to reach expert level is consistency, the most important. Regularly practice in competitions no matter how small the competition is. Secondly, collaboration, दूसरों के साथ मिलकर प्रोजेक्ट करो. टीम कॉम्पिटिशन्स आपको तेज़ी से ग्रो कराते हैं अगर आपके पास एक टीम है तो. That's why we are running this. Third is learn from experts. Obviously analyze top solutions in competitions. अपना सबमिशन के बाद you should check out कि experts जो हैं उनके solutions में और मेरे solution में क्या difference है. You will learn a lot. And the last is sharpen your skills. Learn advanced techniques like feature engineering, deep learning, frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and ensemble methods. Remember, Kaggle isn't about just winning every time. It's about learning with every submission. Now the basic mistakes you should avoid: skipping the basic part, like पहले Python, Pandas, SK learn कि basics clear करना is a must thing. Next, focusing only on competitions. Kaggle data set section पर भी ध्यान दो, वहाँ सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है. So instead of giving your 100% attention to competitions, data set वाले portion पे भी ध्यान दो to improve your profile or to learn in general. Next is ignoring documentation. Properly documented your code and solution for long-term growth. And the last, giving up early. Initial failures normal hai. Keep trying, keep growing, and keep learning. So, this is it. What are you waiting for? Kaggle is not just a platform, it's your gateway to become a skilled data scientist. So आज ही साइन अप करो और अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करो. ऑल्सो कॉमेंट बिलो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट मी टू create a step by step guide on solving a particular Kaggle competition. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.